Yeah, program to find the length of the circumference of an area of a circle. Let's find length of circumference and area of a circle. So in Python program, we have to first of all let's import the mathematics module so that to be able to use pi constants. Then we need to impute the r radius and also convert it to floats. Then we have to enter the length of the circumference. Formula to find the length of the circumference is 2 times pi times r is equal to 2 times pi times r. After that we find the area of a circumference, which is pi r squared, pi times r. So area is equal to pi, the constant pi, and we use math function to raise r to the power of 2. Then now it has been raising. Now what we need to do is to print out what our area, our length and our area, we convert it to 2 decimal places. So converted to 2 decimal places. Then we print also our area. I can use round-off function to do that and to convert it also to 2 decimal places. So I think that's all about it. Let's try to run it and enter, fill in our data. If the radius is 5, the length of the circumference will be, the length will be 31.42, while the area will be 78.54.